Okay, so what are the components are there in the RAP application? Okay, components of RAP application. To develop any application, we need a business object. Okay, business object. Business object is a tree data structure which is having the multiple entities. Okay, the BO business object, it starts with the root entity. A root entity is combining the parent and the child relationships. For example, we are having sales header and the sales item. Sales header is the parent. From that parent, we will be deriving the items for that, which is the child entity. Okay, which is the child entity. A root entity which will consume the this parent and child relationships. Whatever the business object, you can say travel, you can take sales, you can take delivery, you can take employee, you can take purchase, whatever. So we build a data structure in the business object, which is the root entity, which will the starting point of an BO, which will be start from a root node. Okay, so that is the once your BO is ready. This is the root entity, right? We build a root entity. What is the parent? What is the child? Or if you are taking a single database table, whatever, that's completely your wish. Whether you want to maintain a parent and child, or you don't need any parent and child. I want only for single database table. I want to create a RAP based application. You can also do that. You can also maintain a parent and child. So like how we created header and the items corresponding in the, if you remember the concept of create deep entity in a single call, will able to perform header along with the corresponding items. So similarly, you can also do that here in the parents and child relationships. But we'll also discuss a single database table and we'll also discuss the multiple also, because parent and child, that is also most important thing. Okay, once you build the root entity, and we'll also have in the projection view, you can also call consumption view, where it exposed into the UI layer, that is Fury level. How your Fury app has to be, that tells you the which is projection view. Okay, projection view will be created based on existing root entity. Okay, once you build a projection view, you have to go for the service definition and the service binding. After generating a service binding, how you want, whether you want to build an web API or you want to build a Fury app, how you want to build, what kind of an object you want to build, whether you want to build Fury app or whether you want to build an web API. That is completely your wish, depends upon your requirement. You can also create. If you create an web API, it will only create an OData service. Okay. If you choose the option called as web API, it will only create an OData service. And again you have to create an explicit application from the BAS, from the Business Application Studio. Okay. But when you choose this Fury app, you don't need to be create. It will also create an OData service. It will also create an Fury app. It will do both. Okay, it will do both. It will be better, right? Rather than creating again, logging into it, and again creating an application. So somewhat it takes some time. Rather than it will create both. Okay.